This is the match a lot of these people came to see tonight.
And with good reason, Michael. This one's been brewing for quite some time.
Yeah, here comes the Bonzen Foundation.
Combined weight of 454 pounds, the Raw Tag Team Champions, Raven and Rob Van Dam, the Anarchist.
This is it. This is the match we've all been waiting for.
And the electricity level in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt.
And I wouldn't at all be surprised if this match stole the show here tonight. Ooh, what impact! Harsh impact! Boom! A maneuver like that is a great way to turn the tables. What a clothesline! Ouch! Float over, and do it. Oh, what a DDT! Wow. Half Nelson applied.
Just a debilitating neck breaker.
What a stomp. Good grief. Putting it all on the line. Bad move there. I don't know what made him think that was a good idea. Suplex.
He's on the defensive here. The tornado tag team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
Setting up. Dodges a bullet there. Oh! Setting him up. Oh, using the knee as a weapon.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Inverted power slam.
Wow.
Big time slam. Vicious. Oh, it's over. Oh, impactful slam. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. Here we go. Oh, so tear the features clean off your face.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
On the shoulders here. And it could be a long way down from there. The cover.
What a scary drop.
Looks like he's starting to tire. Yeah, there's the pinfall. And the victory.
These guys gave everyone their money's worth. Here's another look. These superstars didn't exactly set the world on fire, but this match had its moments, as we see here.
Are your winners, the Masked Man and Big Evil Marcus, the Natural Disaster.
That's it for this tag team match, and what a thrilling match it was.
I knew these two were a great team, I just didn't know how great. Wow, they really impressed me out here.
And I'm willing to bet we won't see